Welcome everyone. With blessing of Lord Ganesha, let's start today's recipe, that is modak. So let's check the ingredients first. So we have taken rice flour, rice atta, 1 cup water, grinded coconut. I have grinded it in mixie. That is brown sugar, and this is jaggery. Then ghee, and this is the mold. So let's start. Let's heat the pan first and put little amount of ghee. Now add the coconut into it. So put it. And stir it very well. It will get sticky, but still stir it well. Now add jaggery into it and mix it well. Your coconut will get sticky, but still mix it, and simultaneously add I'm adding this brown sugar. You can add your sugar powder or your available sugar in it. I have used brown sugar. So now let's mix it up. Mix it very well. Don't stop, mix it very well. It will give nice texture. Friends, I have hidden one ingredient from you all. So sorry for that. I am revealing it very soon, within a second. Add 1 teaspoon of powder milk in it for good taste. It will taste more better. You can add condensed milk also if you have condensed milk. So you can add condensed milk. Instead of that, I have used powder milk. So it's your choice and option. So it's almost done. The jaggery and coconut mix is getting quite sticky, means it's almost done and very good in color. So now turn the flame off and keep it aside. So our next step will be making a rice dough. So for that, heat kadhai and add some water and add pinch of salt in it. Now add rice flour in it and very quickly keep stirring it. Very fast and quickly keep stirring it. Now turn off your flame and just transfer it into another plate. So now you have to knead it with the help of your hands. It's very hard, but still you have to do it because you are making modak, and for modak your dough should be very soft and smooth. So here it is. Dough is already ready. So now grease some oil or ghee on your palm for good result. I have applied ghee on my palms already. So let's begin. I had already made one. So let me show you the next. So now take a dough, hold the mold, then put some dough in it, stuff it, and make a hole for your jaggery and coconut wala mixture. So just put it. Now cover it with the rice flour. It's almost done, and tan-ta-da, open it. So now our modak is ready. So with the help of mold, we made 2. Now let me show you those who don't have molds. So just made it with the hand. So just grease some oil or ghee on your palm and just start it. I'm greasing some oil. Yeah. So just make a shape and just hold it and put the stuffing. Now close it. If you are momo lover, so you can make it very easily. It's very similar to momo. So now give a good shape. So one trick I'm going to show you. Here I'm using tandoori grill stick for some shape. So just press it little. Oh no, it's looking like garlic, but this is not a garlic. So you can see modak made with hand and made with mold. I think mold one is looking better. So sometime cooking is fun for me, isn't? So let's make another. So now shape is almost ready. Now it's time for steaming. So we will transfer all the modaks to the steamer and steam it for 25 to 30 minutes. So you can see I have steamer. I placed all modaks. It's quite similar like momos, na? So you can do it. So now cover the lid. So now we'll wait for 30 to 35 minutes. Just check it. Now it's almost ready. Let's see the final look of our modaks. Wow, it's ready. So now it's time to serve Lord Ganesha.